In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to contact FreeTaxUSA Customer Support. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to freetaxusa.com like you usually would, and then log into your account. Now once you get inside of your dashboard, it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to the right hand side and go over to where it says support over here. Now from here you'll have three options. You can either click support center, live chat, or pro support. Once you click on, let's say, support here, you'll be taken over to this page right here. Here you'll be able to either message support, where it'll take a couple days to get an answer from FreeTaxUSA, or you can upgrade your plan so you can go to the live chat or even the pro support. But from here you'll simply need to choose the specific one that is suitable for you, and from here it should bring something like this where you can enter in a subject and your message. Once from here you can click whether or not it should notify you by email when a response is given. Once from here you'll simply click submit message, and then from here you have successfully sent in your complaint or question to FreeTaxUSA Customer Support. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!